Experiencing stuttering or uneven motion on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max? This is likely due to ProMotion's variable refresh rate. To fix it, first, try enabling limit frame rate in settings, accessibility, motion to cap the refresh rate at 60 Hz. If that doesn't work, restart your iPhone or ensure you're running the latest iOS update. App incompatibility can also cause jitter, so try closing or updating problematic apps. Trends indicate Apple is prioritizing software optimizations. Expect iterative updates to further minimize this issue. If you're having trouble with keyboard previews, like predictive text not appearing or issues with external displays, there are a few simple fixes. First, reset your keyboard dictionary by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Also, try toggling the predictive setting off and on in Settings, General, Keyboard. If using an external display, ensure both devices are on the same iCloud account. If problems persist, a software update or app reinstallation may be necessary.